last night by the water. She's gonna stray so far away from her father's daughter. She's once alive, I'm for a baby, all on her.
Alright, what's up guys, this is Margareth and welcome back to my channel. For today's video is another makeup tutorial. I'm going to show you how I did my makeup about the TikTok trend Love to Hate Me by Blackpink. This is a makeup transformation, and if you're not familiar with that, let me show you an example.
Negative taste, negative nights, baby, you're wasting all your time. I can't relate, I keep it light, no drama in my life. Wake up, yeah, makeup, maybe I need you now. I've been good lately. Negative taste, negative nights, baby, you're wasting all your time. I can't relate, I keep it light, no drama in my life.
I look so hilarious, but that's how I did the first part, kung saan bare face muna dapat. And for the transformation, let me show you the step-by-step makeup tutorial. If you're interested, watch till the end. First, I am applying some moisturizer and I am using Olay Natural White. I swear I am gentle in applying that to my face, but the speed looks like I'm doing that very harsh. But guys, be gentle on your skin because that's part of how you take care of it. Next, I am using Careline All Control Liquid Makeup as usual in the shade Oriental, as you all know. Because it's not a full coverage foundation, I'll be using a concealer. I am using NYX concealer in the shade Beige to cover up my pimple marks and blemishes. Now, I am putting some setting powder in my under eye and I am using Nichido. This will catch the excess powder from eyeshadow and we will clean that later. Next, I am using Make It Pro Starter Pen for my eyebrows. I'm not good at doing this, so bear with me, but don't worry, I'll fix that later. I am using the concealer that I have used earlier to make my brows look cleaner. For my eyeshadow, I chose the pinkish shade on this palette, which is Ushas. I don't know the pronunciation, sorry if I'm wrong, but I really love this palette because it is very pigmented. For the transition color, I am using the Jaclyn Hill palette and I chose the peachy shade. For the darker color, I am using this palette, which is Revlon Photo Ready, and I chose the darkest color. Now, let's blend everything. For the wings, I'm using the pen that I have used earlier. Because I have already done with my eye makeup, let's clean the powder in my under eye. For my contour, I am using the Mini Star palette. I mix the two brown shades so that it will blend with my skin tone. the nose line, I am using the same palette and the same shade that I have used with my contour. For my blush on, I am using again the Jaclyn Hill palette with the same shade that I have used with my eye makeup. And for my lips, I'll cover this part with concealer to create a new shape. I made this shape using lip liner. You can explore whatever shape you want for your lips. For my lipstick, I'm using Avon Ultra Moisture Rich Lipstick in the shade Sheer Red. For extra color, I chose some color in my palette with a touch of brown and mix it up.
Don't run, just wait and you will see that we are destined to be. If only you did not. Don't you lose sight of what you want.
Then I chose some glittery shade in this palette as my highlighter. I also put some in my lips to create a glossy effect. For the final touch, let's set everything with Nichido loose powder or setting powder. I don't know, whatever you call it. Let me show you my final look in 3, 2, 1.
I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you be all mine? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much.
Now, let me show you the TikTok trend that I have created with this look, which is the Love to Hate Me makeup transformation. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Negative taste, negative nights, baby, you're wasting all your time. I can't relate, I keep it light, no drama in my life.
Wake up, yeah, make up, maybe I need you.